Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the app and signing in, then navigate directly to the product page. Look for the Try It On button or camera icon. Once you tap it, grant camera permission so the tool can map dimensions. Make sure to position yourself in even light and a neutral background. This improves tracking. You're starting measurement and alignment now, so hold still for the automatic calibration. This first step creates the baseline the feature needs to overlay items correctly. You proceed by following the on-screen prompts to align markers. Rotate your head or the object about 15 to 30 degrees when requested so the engine captures depth. Then use pinch gestures to scale and drag to fine-tune placement. This is where precision matters. Once done, try quick swap thumbnails to compare variants. This saves time versus redoing the setup. Remember why? Consistent alignment and small adjustments keep proportions realistic, which yields trustworthy previews for decision-making. You finish by saving or screenshotting the preferred look and noting the product code or size for checkout. If the overlay jitters or drifts, rerun calibration and make sure lighting is even. This fixes most tracking errors. If the camera feed won't load, clear the app cache, restart the app and retry. That often restores permission and performance. Finally, make sure to verify measurements in product details before buying, because virtual fit is a guide, not an exact guarantee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.